Want to give your images a professional and polished look in Google Slides? Today, I'm going to show you a super simple way to add a soft edge effect to any image, and it only takes a few clicks. First, insert the image you want to edit on your slide. Once it's in place, click on the image to select it. Now look at the toolbar above and find the crop icon. Click the little drop-down arrow next to it, and from the options, select Shapes. Here's the fun part. Choose the rounded rectangle shape. This instantly adds a soft edge to your image, giving it a smooth, elegant look. But it doesn't stop there. You can actually adjust how soft the edges appear. A small yellow diamond handle will show up on your image once the shape is applied. Simply drag this handle to increase or decrease the roundness until it looks just right. This method works for any image, and it's perfect for making your slides look clean and visually appealing. Whether you're creating a presentation for work, school, or personal projects, this small tweak can make a huge difference. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, your images now have a soft, professional edge that stands out. Try it out on all your slides and watch your presentations transform instantly.